7, and release. Basic hips. Stomach is pulled in, hips are going. We move front and back, front and back. Keeping that rib cage lifted, stomach pulled in, and touch. Up, down, up, release. Up, down, up, release. Lifting from your obliques. Take it back, front and back, front and back, front and back. Step, touch. Here we go. Up, down, up, release. Up, down, up, release. Up, down, up, release. Last one, hip circle. Nice, smooth, even circle. Hit all those corners with the hips. Here we go. Hip drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Nice controlled movement. Back to our hip circle. All the way around. Step, touch, hip drop. Good. Really working that isolation. Rib cage is lifted. Back to our hip circle. Add the arms. Energy in those hands. Step, touch. Here we go. Hip drop. Really working the isolation. Bring the arm up and melting down. Hip circle. Around. Step, touch. Here we go. Hip drop. Good. Add that arm up, reach, melt it down. Back to basic hips. Good. Looking good. Stomach is in. Touch, step forward. Touch and step. Lift that hip up. And touch and step. Lift. Here we go. Step, release the hip. Lift it up and release. Change the weight, release, lift and release. Touch and back. Lift. Really find the squeeze. Feel it. Change the weight and release the hip. Good. Really work that vertical figure 8. Up and tempo. Touch step. Lift, 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 and up. Good. Last one. Vertical figure 8s. Try not to twist with it. Keep it nice and flat. Let's take it back. And up, up, lift. Here we go, vertical 8. Feel that stretch on each side. Let's add the arms on that touch. Here we go. Take it forward and lift. Vertical 8s, arms come up. Feel the stretch. Take it down and lift. And melting down, touch back. Good, really lift. Back to those 8s. Energy in the arms. Neck is long, shoulders relaxed. And back to basics. Stomach in, rib cage lifted. Let's put it together. Start with a hip circle. Here we go, around. Nice smooth circle. And step, touch, hip drop. Good, lots of energy. Arm comes up and melting down. Take it around and around. Good, nice and smooth. And step, touch, hip drop. Bring the arm up. Touch, step, take it forward. Touch, touch, lift. Really work those hips. Here we go, vertical figure 8. Good, reach. Touch it back, lift. Good, hip comes up and into the body. Nice and controlled. Work that isolation. Smooth figure 8s, lift, and back to basics. Here we go. Stomach in. chest lift. Let's take it back. Lift and release. Lift and release. Lift and release. Work from those pectoral muscles. Here we go. Twist. Change the weight. Twist. Twist. Change your weight. Twist. Change your weight. Chest lift forward. Lift and step. Lift. Work those upper abs. Pecs are working. Lift and twist. Twist. Working that horizontal 8. Drawing an 8 on the floor. Take it back, camel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Work the whole abdomen. Here we go. Twist around. Try to keep it on the same level. Nice horizontal 8. Take it forward. Good. Get that chest lift working. And twist. Nice and smooth. Camel back again, arms up. Make sure that camel starts with the chest lift. Lift and push. Here we go. Add the hands. Energy in those wrists. Framing the hips. Beautiful figure 8. Take it forward. Lift. Up. And release. Good. Horizontal 8. Good. Soft hands. Back to basics. Great. Now let's put those together. Start with a hip circle. Here we go. Around. Keep that rib cage lifted. Step. Touch. Hip drop. Stomach is in. Add that arm up. Melting down. Take it around. Good. Nice even circle. And drop. Arm comes up. Take it down. Touch step. Lift. Really make a nice isolation here. And figure 8s. And stretch. Again. Take it back. Touch step. Lift that hip up. Feel the burn. Work those obliques. Take it up. Beautiful. Camel back. Here we go. Really get that chest lift. And twist. 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 Nice horizontal figure 8. Take it forward. Nice smooth camel. Work the whole abdomen and twist. And back to our basic hips. Here we go. Side to side. Nice and controlled. Stomach is in. Here we go. Side front, front, back, back. Single, front, back, step, touch. Repeat. Front, front, back. Really lift that hip up. Singles, front, back, step, on the toes. Twist. 1. Good. Hip is coming front and back. Change to the other side. Twist. Last one. Here we go. Front, front, back, back. Singles, step, touch. Double front, back, single. Up on the toes, twist it. Good. Make sure the arms are quiet. Just working the hips. Step change. Here we go. Looking good. Front, front, back. Lift that back arm up. Energy in the arms. Twist it. Here we go. Let's take it in a circle with a twist. Other side. Take it around. and back to basics. All right. Keep those abs pulled in, all together, around. Step, touch, hip drop. Arm comes up, release down. Take it side. Nice smooth hip circle step, touch, hip drop. Have that arm up and release down, touch, step forward. Good. The energy in those hips and figure eight. Try not to twist with it. Keep it flat. Touch it back. Energy in the hands, neck is long. Figure eight. Feel the stretch, camelback. Start with that chest lift as you roll all the way down your abs. Work the whole torso. And figure eights. Get a good twist here. Take a forward camel. And twist. Double on the profile. Here we go. And front, front, back, back, front, back, step. Again. Singles, up and twist. Add the arms, around the base, energy. Take it in a circle. Change sides. Take it around. And back to basic hips. Stomach is pulled in, rib cage is lifted, shoulder shimmy, step, side, back, side, front, side, back, together. Stomach goes out, down, back, and in, out, down, back, and in. Shoulders, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step it front, side, back, together. Push out, down, back, and in. Out, down, back, and in. Tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Front, back, and reverse the camel. Smooth it out. Isolating from underneath the rib cage. Work those lower abs. Here we go. Front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. Nice loose shoulder shimmy. Reverse camel. Take it up and over. Work those lower abs. Last time, shoulders. Shoulders front and back. Nice and loose and relaxed. Take it over. Add the hands. Up and over. Shoulders. Front, side, back, side. Add those arms up and reverse. And back to our basic hips. Excellent, looking good. Here we go, let's put it all together. Hip circle. All the way around, nice and smooth. Step, touch, hip drop. Good. Really work those obliques. Arm comes up, melting down. Take it side. Hip circle. Step, touch, hip drop. Arms up, melting down, touch it forward, and touch step. Lift, lift, up and into the body. And figure eights. Nice vertical eight. Try not to twist with it, keep it flat. Take it back with a touch. And up and in. Figure eights. Beautiful. Looking good. Let's camel back. Arms up, chest lift. Work the whole abdomen, all the way down to your lower belly. Give me the twist. Horizontal 8. Make sure there's no level change. Take it forward. Up and down. Start with that chest lift. And working in a horizontal direction. Nice twist. Let's double it up. Pendulum hip. Here we go. Back. Front, back. Step change. On the toes. Here we go. Twist. Take it around. Other side. Around. Shoulder shimmies. Cross it. Front. Back. That's it. Relax. Have some fun. And reverse. Arms up. Just working those lower abs. And again, shoulders. Nice relaxed movement. And reverse. Good. Work that whole abdomen. Looking good. And back to basics. Awesome. Great job, everybody. Looking good. Let's take a breath. And breathe. Deep breath in. Up